One. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will be wrapping up the video series with finalizing the model, saving the model, and retrieving the model. So let's go to the adding a section. I'll add finalize model. So good enough. Add the model name that you want to save it with. Let's say car, we'll add a pickle. Since we will be using pickle, let's import it. Import pickle. And it's going to finalize, then the pickle.dump, the model name, and let's open model name and write access. And now we'll be loading it. So loaded model equals pickle.load. Open the model name and read access. And let's find the result of the loaded model. Model.score test y test test, and then print the score result. So load it. Pickle.load takes one argument. Yes, so here is the issue. It's a 97.68, which is the same as this one. Awesome. So with this, we have come to an end for this project. Hope to see you soon in another machine learning project. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.